Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best instant camera for beginners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Kodak Instant Camera. Now take life one step at a time. Whether you're an avid traveler, social influencer, nostalgic partygoer or on-the-go photographer, one thing is certain, printing pictures takes too many steps. Now it comes with Kodak Step Printing. Full-color photographs is as simple as point, shoot and print. This compact device features a powerful 10MP camera and built-in printer with zinc zero ink technology. You can use the pop-up viewfinder and old-school shutter to snap save and print photos in a flash. No messy cables or expensive cartridges required. At number 6 we have Zinc Instant Camera. The Polaroid Snap Instant Digital Camera captures all the fun and spontaneity of the legacy Polaroid Instant Camera in an easy compact package. You can simply point and click to print vibrant high-quality photos. The integrated zinc printing technology enables you to instantly print full color. This enables you to easily print and share physical photos at the push of a button, while saving all your images for easy uploading. At number 5 we have Kodak Instant Camera. The point-and-shoot Print-O-Matic camera offers a powerful 5MP sensor and wide-angle f2 lens. The Print-O-Matic is the ideal all-in-one solution for capturing and sharing vibrant prints instantaneously. This point-and-shoot, the camera speed allows you to shoot a new photo while printing the previous shot. It also comes equipped with a light sensor that will automatically turn on the flash in low light settings. The Kodak Print-O-Matic camera instantly prints 2x3 photos. The photo prints are durable, water-resistant, tear-resistant and smudge-free. At number 4 we have Fujifilm Instant Camera. The Mini 11 automatically selects the optimal shutter speed in any environment. This Mini 11 captures bright backgrounds and bright subjects even in dark scenes. The Mini 11 has a built-in macro mode and selfie mirror for the perfect selfie. You don't need a close-up lens attachment. You can just pull out the lens barrel until the selfie mode mark appears. At number 3 we have Kodak. The Kodak Print-O-Matic camera prints smudge-proof, water and tear-resistant photos up to 5MP automatically. You can just point, shoot and print. Perfect to take on the go whenever you want to share prints. The Kodak Print-O-Matic is the easiest, funniest way to share photos with friends. Your prints are even adhesive backed, so you can get creative and use the photos to decorate just as you would any sticker. The camera speed even allows you to continue shooting while your photo is printing. At number 2 we have Fujifilm Instant Camera. You can automatically detect the brightness of the surrounding and adjusts the amount of flash and shutter speed to optimize photo quality. The Instax Mini 90 offers advanced features such as bulb and double exposures that are attractions of traditional analog cameras and offer an enhanced capability to capture light creatively. The Instax Mini 90 is also equipped with new functions and features like macro mode and high-performance flash. At number 1 we have Kodak Instant Camera. The point-and-shoot Print-O-Matic camera offers a powerful 5MP sensor and wide-angle f/2 lens. The Print-O-Matic is the ideal all-in-one solution for capturing and sharing vibrant prints instantaneously. This point-and-shoot, the camera speed allows you to shoot a new photo while printing the previous shot. It also comes equipped with a light sensor that will automatically turn on the flash in low light settings. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best instant camera for beginners for your need.